Hi. So today I'm going to telling you about 8 different types of insurance policies and coverages you need in USA. Life is full of surprises. While some are exhilarating, others are devastating emotionally and financially, like a car accident or kitchen fire. That is why there are many types of insurance to help after unexpected disaster. To help you sort through your options, here are the main types of insurance policies. Auto insurance. Driving without auto insurance is against the law in almost every state. Not only it is illegal to drive without coverage, but it could significantly cost you if you get in an accident, especially if you are at fault. Fortunately, several types of car insurance can pay for vehicle damage and injuries after an accident. Liability coverage. This type of car insurance pays for property damage and injuries you cause to other if you are at fault for an accident. Liability car insurance also pays for your legal defense and judgments or settlements if you are sued because of a car accident. States except New Hampshire and Virginia require a minimum level of liability insurance to drive legally. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. If an uninsured or underinsured driver strikes your vehicle, this coverage pays for you and your passengers' medical expenses. Uninsured motorist coverage can also pay for lost wages and compensate for pain and suffering. Some states requires coverage, and in some states coverage or can also cover your car damage from the uninsured underinsured driver. Personal injury protection PIP. Regardless of who was responsible for an accident, PIP insurance can cover injuries to you and your passengers. This coverage may also reimburse you for lost wages, rehabilitation costs, and service like childcare you can longer perform after being injured. Many states require PIP, but it's optional in others, and in some states it's not available. Medical payment coverage. MedPay coverage helps pay for medical expenses for you and your passengers if you are injured in an accident, regardless of fault. Coverage amounts are typically low, usually between 1000 and $5,000. Comprehensive and collisions coverage. These coverage types work together to pay for damage to your vehicle. Collision insurance pays to repair or replace your car after an accident, no matter whose fault it is. Comprehensive insurance covers theft, and damage to your car due to floods, hail, fire, vandalism, falling objects, and animal strikes. Collision and comprehensive coverage are often sold together and are optional. However, if you finance your car, your lender will require you to buy it. The same goes for car leases. Home insurance. Unlike auto insurance, no state law stipulates that you must have homeowners coverage. However, if you financed your home, your lender will usually require coverage to protect their interest in your property. This way, if your home is damaged or destroyed, you have funds to rebuild and will not walk away from your mortgage. Even if you don't have a mortgage and paid for your home outright, you are responsible for repair or replacement cost if something damages or destroys your home and you don't have home insurance. It's wise to buy a home insurance policy. Home insurance policy wrap up several types of coverage including devil coverage. From your roof to your floors, dwelling coverage protects the structure of your house from unexpected events like fire, wind, theft, or vandalism. This type of coverage also pays to repair or replace structures attached to your property, such as garage or deck. Your dwelling coverage amount should equal the cost of rebuilding your house. Personal property coverage. This type of coverage protects your personal belongings such as furniture, appliances, and clothing. Problems covered include theft, fire, and explosions. Coverage for personal property is usually set at an amount between 50% and 70% of your dwelling coverage. You can usually buy more coverage if you need more. Other structures on the property. Structures on the property like a tool, shed, or fence are covered under this type of coverage. Additional living expenses. If you are temporarily displaced from your home because it's been damaged by a problem covered by your policy, additional live living expenses coverage pays extra costs such as for meals and lodging.